I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Snapchat profile has been suspended, don't you worry, there are steps you can take to try to recover it. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet to access your account settings. Step 2. Try to log in. Enter your username and password to see if you can access your account. If you receive a message about suspension, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Visit the Snapchat support page. Go to the Snapchat support website. Look for the section on account recovery or suspension. This is where you can find the necessary forms to appeal your suspension. Step 4. Fill out the appeal form. Complete the appeal form with the required information, including your username, email, and a brief explanation of why you believe your account should be restored. Be honest and concise. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for Snapchat to review your request. This can take a few days, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. Remember, if your account was suspended for violating community guidelines, it may not be restored. Good luck, and I hope you get your Snapchat back soon.